Hey everyone, B here, and these are my struggles around eating prawns. Hold my thumbs. That's why I don't go on boats, because everything goes over the side. Let's eat some prawns, everybody. Oh, thank you very much. That's why I can't do prawns myself, because I stabbed them. Okay, D, you want to kill me one? Oh, these prawns are dangerous, I'm telling you. Confetti fishers, confetti. Just put a net in and catch us some dinner. These are my struggles around eating prawns, and how people take eating prawns for granted. Daddy prawns, oh, daddy prawns.